Hello and welcome back to Unboxing Things. In today's episode, we're gonna have a very simple, to the point video. You see, I bought a thing online that was super duper cheap when compared to buying it offline in the real world. As I'm cutting this, let me tell you a little story. You see, I'm the dungeon master at our private Dungeons and Dragons games, and because of that, I have an unhealthy dice obsession. Unfortunately, buying dice from physical shops in Singapore is really expensive. One single set of 7 dice costs about 10 to 15 Singapore dollars. That's about 7 to 12 US dollars, I would assume. So because of that, I went online and tried to figure out what's a cheaper way to get a whole bunch of dice. Now enter this. The idea of buying dice online. This bag of dice right here costs me about exactly the same as one set of dice in a physical shop. And instead of just getting one set of dice, that's one set, that's 2 sets, that's 3 sets, 4 sets, 5 sets, 6 sets, 7 sets. That's right, buying my Dungeons and Dragons dice online instead of at the physical shops gave me 7 times the value and also a free felt bag. If you yourself would like to pick up some really awesome, really colorful, really pretty If you yourself would like to pick up some really awesome, really cool, really pretty Dungeons and Dragons dice at a very low cost, I'll put a link in the description box below and you can go check it out. Yeah, there you have it. That's it. Simple, small video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see me unbox more different weird things, please go and check out the other videos on this channel. They are pretty good. And if you, just like me, really appreciate good unboxing experiences, do consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. It really helps the channel grow, and yeah. Alright guys, until next time, this has been Unboxing Things, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.